What were Hearst Castle's most impressive engineering marvels? Imagine a place where art, architecture, and engineering come together on a grand scale. That's what makes Hearst Castle so fascinating. Sitting 1,600 feet above the Pacific Ocean on California's central coast, it's a true marvel of design and construction. William Randolph Hearst wanted an estate that reflected his love of art and grandeur, but building it was no simple task. The team behind it, especially architect Julia Morgan, faced many challenges and created some truly impressive engineering feats. One of the most remarkable features is the use of steel-reinforced concrete. This technique made the structures incredibly strong and durable. It was especially important because California is prone to earthquakes. Reinforced concrete helped the castle withstand seismic activity and fires, which are common concerns in the region. The construction used this method to support the massive walls and towers, ensuring they would last 4 generations. The foundation work was equally complex. In 1926, the original foundation was laid, but by 1929, it had to be completely removed and rebuilt. Hearst wanted to expand the estate, including a large recreation wing with a 3-lane bowling alley. This meant engineers had to carefully plan and execute a new foundation that could support the added weight and design. The process showed how adaptable and precise the engineering had to be to bring Hearst's vision to life. The estate's gardens and water features also stand out. Covering 127 acres, they include terraced gardens, fountains, and pools like the Neptune Pool. Building these on a steep hillside required clever grading and water management systems. Engineers had to ensure that water flowed properly, prevented erosion, and kept the terraces stable. These water features are not only beautiful but also demonstrate advanced engineering for their time. Another impressive aspect is how the estate incorporated imported materials and artifacts. Many pieces, like a Spanish ceiling from the 15th century and Roman and Greek statues from Italy, were delicate and heavy. Engineers had to design support systems that protected these treasures while integrating them into the modern structure. This careful planning kept the artifacts safe and added to the castle's historic charm. Hearst Castle also boasted advanced mechanical systems. It had a complex plumbing network to supply water to pools and fountains, early electrical wiring for lighting, and heating systems for comfort. These systems were ahead of their time and made the estate more functional and livable. Finally, the design features many towers and arches made from concrete. Structures like the Gothic study used arches and towers that needed precise calculations to balance beauty and safety. These elements not only added to the castle's majestic look, but also proved the strength of the engineering work behind it. All these engineering achievements helped turn Hearst Castle into a lasting California landmark. The collaboration between Julia Morgan and William Randolph Hearst resulted in an estate that combines artistic beauty with engineering strength. It stands today as a symbol of California's history of innovation and craftsmanship.